We'll guide you through how to download and install RLCraft in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and close off Minecraft. And then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. And just before we get any further, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it, as well as a ton more awesome features as well. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, then I'll go and put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, so you can go and quickly go and check them out. As I said, so many awesome features, so I definitely recommend them. To continue with the video, now what you need to do is just come to a search engine and you need to search something called CurseForge. CurseForge is essentially a mod site, so come to curseforge.com, but what we can do is get the CurseForge app, and essentially the app is a launcher and you can really easily run and install mod packs. So click on Get CurseForge app in the top right, and you can then click on download an Overwolf or just download a standalone, which I'll click. It'll go and download. Now open your file explorer and come to your downloads and find CurseForge. Double click on it and we can then go through the installer. It's super straightforward. Just make sure you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and confirm you're at least 18 years old. I've already read these. I'll press next. And I've read this before, so I'll click on accept and install and then go and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is doing a download. It shouldn't take too long though, so go and wait. And here it is. Now it is important to note that to go and use CurseForge, you do need to own and have Minecraft. Without it, you won't be able to go and use it. As you can see, we've got Minecraft on the left here and Pal World as I have those games, so I can go and select it. And then once you've got it selected, go to the top and click on browse. It'll take a moment to load. You can filter just for mod packs, but what you can do is at the top here is go and search RLCraft like so, and here it is. You can then go and click on it, and you want to go over to the right and click on install like so. So it's now going to go and start downloading and getting everything ready. So all you need to do is go and wait. It's now finished downloading and it's now installing each mod. So just go and keep waiting. After it's finished downloading and installing, you can then see the option it now says play. And what you can do as well is just come to my mod pack and you can see the different ones here. I've already got some here as I have used CurseForge before. And what you can do is just go and click on play. And then the Minecraft updater may appear and it may have to do some updates. Just go and wait once again, there's not much you can do. And the Minecraft launcher should go and open up, and here we are. And as you can see to the left, the play button, RLCraft has been selected. And what you then need to do is go and click on play. You need to go and understand the risk as you've essentially modified the game, but that's fine. Click play, and it now says waiting on install. It may need to do a few more downloads, but all you need to do is just keep waiting and it should go and launch. It's now launching. As you can see, it's just loading and initializing everything. And here we are, we're now in RLCraft and we can go and get started. So I'm gonna go and get into a world. And now here we are in a Minecraft world. So go and start exploring and you can go and take in everything that it goes and adds to the game. So I just spawned in sort of like a stony area and we can go and see a sort of a snowy biome. And if you just look at the trees, they go and look completely different and you're going to go and notice things like the trunks are different and loads of different things. And shortly we'll go and see some mobs as well. And there are loads of different mobs added to the game. I've seen a few things like turkeys as well as loads of other mobs as well. Yeah, so definitely go and check this mod pack out. CurseForge makes it super easy. And as well as that, you can always go and play with your friends using Apex Hosting, the sponsor of this video. So a big shout out to them for sponsoring this video as well. We really do appreciate it. So make sure you check out the site, as at the moment there is a discount on. And as you can see here, we've got this flying creature as well, which is super cool. And then we've got some more as well as just normal sheep. But you're going to go and notice quite a few different creatures, which are super cool. So I hope you did find this video useful. If you did, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a ton more Minecraft videos on the channel and to come. So make sure you like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.